In this video, let's look into how to conduct a PESTLE analysis for any brand.
What is PESTLE analysis?
PESTLE is a framework used to study the external factors affecting a company, like political factors, economic factors, social factors, technological factors, legal factors, and environmental factors. Here are 5 simple steps to do a PESTLE analysis on any company. The first step of this process is to understand the requirements of the provided question. You can ensure the same by checking these points. The second step is to collect reliable, authentic, and detailed information. When collecting the information, that should include these points. The next thing is to do in-depth research on the data and analyze the gathered information if it is accurate and authentic or not. The next step is to write, edit and proofread the writing to ensure it is free from all and any mistakes. The last step is to prepare the company's final report based on the conducted PESTLE analysis. This is an example of a PESTLE analysis on Nike's most popular brand, sports equipment and apparel brand. Through this video, you might have learned about what is PESTLE analysis, how to do it, along with an example of a popular sports brand, Nike.